हाय एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज पियाली और मैं आप सबको एक कोटेशन से आज स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगी कि सफलता उन्हीं को ही मिलती है जो अपने डर को छोड़ते हुए आगे निकल जाते हैं. मीट आवर बेस्ट एलुमनाई स्टूडेंट मिस्टर बिबेक सना हु हैज कम फ्रॉम मणिपुर. उन्होंने ट्रिमेंडस सक्सेस दिखाया है वर्किंग एट बैंगलोर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट विद ड्यूटी फ्री सर्विस. आज 1.5 years के बाद उनकी सैलरी इज टचिंग अराउंड 50,000 per month. Vivek, we are so proud of you and your achievements. People have been talking great things to me about you and it's not easy to achieve. That is because आपने बहुत अच्छा friendship, बहुत अच्छे communication skills और network बनाया होगा. इसी वजह से लोग आपकी बहुत तारीफ कर रहे हैं. Vivek, tell us more about your job profile. आपका कैसा काम का experience रहा अभी तक?
Okay, ma'am. Before this is my first job at duty free. After I left the flats, I got a placement in this one duty free, and then while working here, I got to learn so many things. First, I was just working as a simple sales staff, and then after that, I got a brand. Now I'm working for a brand ambassador for a brand called Idrington. It's one of the most decorated and prestigious brand from liquor, like a Macallan, where I'm working for that brand right now.
Okay. So that's nice, people often say that aviation is only about cabin crew, but I want to give you, with your example, I want to tell people, aviation is so vast and people are working day and night and earning such big salary and very much being in airports and aviation. So
yes.
You are a true example, Vivek, that we want to set in front of people, that working for duty-free companies and that too with Dufree, which is biggest multinational company based out of Switzerland. They have deployed their operations at Bangalore Airport. I'm so proud of you that you have made all of us so proud. Anything else you would like to speak about your training time, Vivek? What all have you learned and how it helped you? Your career
training time, there is a lot to say about flats. Thank you very much for flats too. It's a very honor to be part of part of the flats. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to flats for being more than just an institution, and then for being a place of learning, growth, and inspiration. This institute is this institute is not just a building.
It's like a family.
It's like a family. It's a source of endless opportunity.
Yes, source of endless opportunities.
Everyone will think aviation, most of the people, they will think aviation is just for only cabin crew, ground stuff. There is so many things in aviation. Aviation is very fast.
Right.
In airport, there is so many opportunity to work. It's just us. We need to work on that.
Yes, that's
First,
a
we
great
need to
message.
sense our mind.
Yeah, that's a great message, Vivek. I shall be thankful to you because I have been always very vocal about exploring the job opportunities in multiple dimension in aviation. And you have set a true example of how we can become successful at airport working at multiple dimensions. So I shall be very thankful to you, and you are one of the I have been hearing great things from your friends about you. So that shows that how confidently you have managed to work so far, and it's just 1.5 years, right, of your first job.
1.5 years. Yeah.
And the whole world is waiting for you, Vivek. I should congratulate you that 1.5 years is just the first step that you have passed, and you still have another 30-40 years to make great things happen to your life and career. And I'm sure with the dignity you carry yourself, the communication skills, the friendship you show to the people around you will take you much longer and farther in life.
Yes.
How's your parents at home, Manipur?
Everything is fine. And suddenly, good news is my sister got selected for a Air India Express, and then
lovely.
And she inspired from me actually.
She got inspired. Yeah.
Richa ma'am and Naim ma'am, Diganta Bhaiya, like
Yes.
what everyone is teaching me. Like I used to teach my this one sister,
Sister,
like
yeah.
aviation is this,
Lovely,
like
lovely.
this. She's inspired from the Eds and me, and then now she's a cabin crew as a
It's heart
here in
touching.
the Express.
Vivek, I should tell you, it's heart touching. It's the same thing what I say in my classroom, that maybe me, Richa ma'am, we are not able to go to small towns or remote areas to touch every heart. But whomsoever we are teaching, like all of you, like 20 students ka classroom. So you have to take these teachings forwards and create awareness among the society. And you have set a true example by teaching your sister, and she is now successful today. So nice.
And
Thank you.
thank you, Flats, for giving me like this big opportunity.
So nice. Thank you so much, dear.
Yeah.
All the
Thank
best
you,
for your career and life. Stay
Thank you, ma'am.
connected. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.